Hello friends, I'm Batul. Welcome back to my channel Brainify. I hope you are doing well and staying healthy wherever you are during this pandemic. Today I'm here to help you learn articles. What is indefinite article, definite article, and no article? There are two types of articles: indefinite article, definite article. The indefinite article a or an is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is general or when its identity is not known. We do not use indefinite article with plural nouns or uncountable nouns. The article a is used before a word that begins with a consonant sound. Example: a boy, a girl, a teacher, a car, a 14-year-old girl. The indefinite article an is used before singular, countable nouns which begin with vowel sounds, that is a, e, I, o, u. The example: an actor, an invitation, an eagle, so on. It is important to note that an or a does not depend on the spelling of the word it comes before. It depends on the pronunciation of the word. Always trust the sound, not the letter. For example, an apple, an egg, an eagle, an inkpot, an owl, an umbrella. Some words start with a vowel letter but have a consonant sound, so the indefinite article a is used before them. Example: a European student. In the word European, the first letter E is silent and the second letter U is pronounced as U, not A. So, the article A is used before European. Second example, a university. Though the first letter is a vowel, the sound of U is like a consonant. So, the article A is used before university. Here, you have to remember especially the sound of E and U. To use the article an, the sound of E should be A, short sound of E, and E, the long sound of E. For example, an egg, an eagle, an eccentric person, an echo, an Egyptian student. I felt like an eternity. Similarly, the sound of U should be A, should be rescued from the grips of an undertow. Or an ultimatum, an undergraduate student, an upgrade, or you can say I'm waiting for an upgrade, and so on. Similarly, there are words which begin with a silent H. In such cases, the indefinite article an is used. For example, an R, an honest man, an honorable teacher, and so on. In all the three examples, H is silent, and the next letter, O, produces the sound of a vowel. But keep it in mind that there are some words that begin with H, and the sound H is pronounced. In such cases, the article A is used before them. For example, a humble man, a hint, a humorous poem, a historian. The indefinite article an is also used before abbreviations which begin with A, E, F, H, I, L, M, N, O, R, S, or X. For example, an ISI product, an LLB student, an RMP doctor. In all these cases, all the abbreviations are pronounced as individual letters. So the article "an" is placed before it. But if these abbreviations are elaborated, then you have to use the article "a" before it. For example, an MLA, whereas a member of Legislative Assembly. When you elaborate the abbreviation MLA, an article "a" has to be placed before it. A member of Legislative Assembly. But if the abbreviation is said as a word and begins with a consonant sound, the indefinite article "a" is used before it. For example, a SAARC company, a NATO member, a NASA member. Though all these words are abbreviations, but we pronounce it like a word. I hope you got an idea where to use an indefinite article "a" or "an." Now let's learn a few rules of the definite article "the." The definite article is used in front of a noun which is unique or one of its kind. For example, the North Pole, the Ganges, the Titanic, the sun, the moon, the earth, and so on. It is used with the names of countries that have plural names as their names. Example, the US, the UK, the Netherlands, the Philippines, and so on. The definite article "the" is also used with the names of countries whose names include words like kingdom, states, or republic. For example, the Kingdom of Bhutan, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the United States, the United Kingdom, the People's Republic of China, and so on. "The" is used before the names of mountain ranges, groups of islands, rivers, seas, oceans, and canals. Example, the Indus, the Atlantic, the Nile, the Mississippi, and so on. The definite article "the" is used before the names of holy books like the Bible, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Quran, the Gita, and so on. "The" is used before a superlative adjective like the largest, the most difficult, the oldest, the most intelligent, the tallest, the biggest, the longest, and so on. We also use the definite article "the" with words like middle, top, end, first, next, and center. For example, Aditya was the first to read the book. The first. John walked out of the hall in the middle of the movie. In the middle. The definite article "the" is used when a particular noun has already been mentioned previously. It means when we introduce a noun for the first time, we have to use "a." But when the same noun is introduced second time in the second sentence, the article "the" is used. For example, I ate an apple yesterday. The apple was juicy and delicious. Here in the example, in the first sentence, as we are introducing the noun for the first time, we have used the article an. And in the second sentence, the same apple is introduced the second time, so in the second case, the article the is used. Article the is used with adjectives to represent a class of people like the rich, the injured, the dead, the blind, and so on. For example, Helen Keller was always interested in the blind. Here the word the blind refers to all the people that comes under the blind category. The second example, the injured were immediately taken to the hospital. The word injured refers to all the people who got injured, were taken to the hospital. Names of countries have no articles if it is singular. Example, the BBC is not permitted in Zimbabwe, but there's an exception. I have never been to the Ukraine or the Gambia. Though the country named Ukraine and Gambia is the singular form, but still we use the article the before it. There is no article used with the names of languages. Example, English, French, Hindi, Sweden. With the names of these languages, no article is used. No article to be used before the names of meals like breakfast, lunch, supper, and dinner. There is no article with proper names if it is singular. Example, David is on the way to his college. John Kennedy is my boss. We are having dinner with the Hans tonight. In the first two sentences, the proper noun David and John Kennedy is singular, so no article is used before it. Whereas in the third example, we are having dinner with the Hans family. Here the noun Hans represents the complete family, the whole family. So the article the is used before Hans. There is no article with mass nouns or uncountable nouns. Certain food and drink items like beef, bread, butter, meat, fish, oil, milk, pasta, tea, water. With all these nouns, no article is being used. There is no article with singular islands, mountains, and lakes. For example, Lake Superior is one of the largest lakes in the world. Mount Fuji is the most photographed mountain in the world. In the above examples, Lake Superior and Mount Fuji are singular, so no article is used before it. But there is an exception in some cases. Example, they climbed the Matterhorn. Matterhorn is a mountain of the Alps. Though the mountain Matterhorn is a singular, the article the is used before it. Similarly, second example, they went boating on the Serpentine. Serpentine is a 40-acre lake in London. It is singular, but the article the is used before it. I hope you got an idea about definite and indefinite article. Now let's find out the errors in articles in the given sentences. The first sentence, Jane is going to UK this summer. What's the error in this sentence? Normally, we don't use the before the names of countries unless that name represents a collection of places. Example, the United States, the Netherlands, the United Arab Emirates. So the correct sentence is, Jane is going to the UK this summer. The second example, this is one of the best books in English language. What's the error in this sentence? It is to remember that don't use the before the names of languages when they are used as nouns. But in this case, English is used as an adjective, telling us which specific language. So we do need the definite article the there. So the correct answer is, this is one of the best books in the English language. Third sentence, do you play guitar? What's the error in this sentence? Is it right? Is it correct? No. Because do use the before musical instruments. So the has to be used, the article the has to be used before musical instruments. So the correct sentence is, do you play the guitar? The Microsoft will be introducing several new products around the Christmas. What's error in this sentence? Usually, you're not supposed to use the before the names of companies and holidays when it is used as nouns. So the correct sentence is, no articles before Microsoft and no article before Christmas. So the sentence is, Microsoft will be introducing several new products around Christmas. Now the second sentence will help you make the dinner. We have already discussed in the previous topic or in the previous slides that one shouldn't use the before the meals, the names of the meals like breakfast, lunch or dinner. When talking about everyday meals, you can use the when referring to a specific event. For example, the reception. The reception begins at 5. The dinner will be at 6. And the dance will begin at 8. So the correct answer is, will help you make dinner. As it is the name of a meal, so no article to be used before dinner. Sony can't come to the library right now because she's in the class. What's the error? So don't use an article before common expressions of place such as home, work, school, bed, class, jail, prison, and so on. So the correct answer is, Sony can't come to the library right now because she is in class. So no article to be placed before class. The next sentence, the biology is John's favorite subject and the saucer is his favorite sport. And always keep it in mind, don't use the before academic subjects or sports. So no article to be used before biology and no article to be used before saucer. So the correct answer is, biology is Kevin's favorite subject and saucer is his favorite sport. I hope you understand the lesson on articles. I do know articles are super confusing. Feel free to rewatch the video because there are so many exceptions to the rules I have given you. If you have a question, please leave me a comment. If you need more help with this, please ask me. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to reading your comments. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, click on the red button below and subscribe it immediately. So, I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye.